the cons of owning a vending. Oh, seriously? Did you just see that? Someone just pulled off the sneakiest snack heist right here. I can't believe people resort to stealing from vending machine. And you know, owning a vending machine isn't all snacks and profits. Sure, it sounds cool, but there are cons too. Maintenance costs, dealing with theft, and staying up to date with popular snacks can be a real challenge.
So you're two for one.
So, remember, folks, honesty is the best policy, and if you're thinking about vending machine ownership, be prepared for the cons that come with those tempting treats. Stay honest, stay snacking, and catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I will be adding more of these side hustle videos in the future. Comment down below if you have any side hustle ideas.